Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Idris and this lecture is about how to measure percentage of serum cholesterol level by enzymatic method. So what is cholesterol? It is the most important sterol in human body having molecular formula of C27H46O. Cholesterol molecule consists of tetracyclic ring structure, consists of 4 hydrocarbon ring A, B, C, D with hydroxyl group at carbon number 3 of ring A. There is double bond between C5 and C6 of ring B and short 8 carbon tail isooctyl attached to carbon number 17 of D ring. Here is structure of cholesterol showing A, B, C, D hydrocarbon ring. While hydroxyl group is attached to carbon number 3, there is double bond between C5 and C6 and short 8 carbon tail attached to carbon number 17. Properties of cholesterol: it is yellowish crystalline solid which is soluble in organic solvents such as chloroform, benzene and ether, while insoluble in water. Sources of cholesterol: we can get cholesterol from exogenous as well as endogenous sources. In case of exogenous sources, dietary cholesterol is 0.3 gram per day. Major sources are butter, meat and egg yolk, while in endogenous it is synthesized from acetyl-CoA at the rate of 1 gram per day. Cholesterol is present in different parts of the body such as liver, skin, intestinal mucosa and adrenal cortex, while the largest amount is present in liver. It occurs in ester form, which is 1/3 of the total cholesterol. It also occurs in free form, that is 2/3 of the total cholesterol. In ester form, it binds with fatty acid at carbon number 3. Fatty acid, linolenic acid, arachidonic acid form cholesterol ester. Free cholesterol is equally distributed in plasma, RBC and brain. Functions of cholesterol. Cholesterol is precursor of steroid hormone and vitamin D. It is essential for making a number of critical hormones, including stress hormone cortisol. It is also used to make the sex hormone testosterone, estrogen and progesterone. The liver also uses cholesterol to make bile, a fluid that plays a vital role in the processing and digestion of fats. It is a major component of cell membrane that provides rigidity to the cell. It is an important component of LDL, which is cytotoxic, and HDL, high density lipid, which is cardioprotective, while in nerve tissue it exerts insulating effect. Apparatus, reagent and chemical required for the analysis of cholesterol. We need 3 test tube, pipette, water bath at 37 degrees centigrade, calorimeter, micropipette and centrifuge machine. Chemical required are standard cholesterol solution having strength of 200 mg per 100 ml and cholesterol enzymatic reagent composed of cholesterol esterase, cholesterol oxidase, cholesterol peroxidase, phenol empirone, hydroxybenzoate, and EDTA. Principle of the reaction: cholesterol esters are hydrolyzed to cholesterol plus free fatty acid in the presence of enzyme cholesterol esterase. Then, in the presence of oxygen, cholesterol is oxidized to cholesterol and hydrogen peroxide. In the last step, hydrogen peroxide reacts with phenol empirone in the presence of cholesterol peroxidase to give quinone complex, which is reddish brown in color. Procedure: take 3 test tubes and label them as S for standard, B for blank and U for unknown. With the help of micropipette, add 0.02 ml of plasma or serum in U, 0.02 ml of standard cholesterol solution in S, and 0.02 ml of distilled water in B. Then, with the help of pipette, add 2 ml of enzymatic cholesterol reagent to each test tube. Mix the content and keep the test tube in water bath for 10 to 15 minutes. A reddish brown color complex is formed in S and U. Remove the test tube from water bath and measure the optical density of standard and unknown after adjusting calorimeter at 0 for blank using filter paper of 580 nanometer wavelength. Clinical significance. Normal range is from 100 to 150 mg per deciliter. Some conditions that are associated with abnormal cholesterol level are hypercholesterolemia. That means that there is increased level of cholesterol in the blood. It is of two types. Primary hypercholesterolemia, that is genetically linked autosomal dominant disease, and there is uncontrolled intracellular cholesterol synthesis. While in secondary hypercholesterolemia, as the name indicates, that increased serum cholesterol level is secondary to some other disease like diabetes mellitus, hypothyroidism, nephrotic syndrome, extrahepatic obstruction of bile duct, and alcoholism. First of all, we have to treat the underlying cause. Low cholesterol diet is advised. Use good fats such as HDL. Exercise and carbohydrate restriction is advised. Another condition is hypocholesterolemia, which means that there is decreased level of plasma cholesterol that are associated with hyperthyroidism, pernicious anemia, hepatocellular disease, genetic defect, and surgical removal of terminal portion of the ileum, which decrease cholesterol absorption. Degradation and excretion of cholesterol. The ring structure of cholesterol cannot be metabolized into carbon dioxide in water. It is converted to bile acid in salt that is then excreted in feces. The cholesterol can leave the body by excretion in the bile, which transport it to intestine for elimination. Cholesterol in blood. Cholesterol present in RBC and plasma. Concentration in RBC remain constant while vary in plasma due to different metabolic processes, and that is used as diagnostic in various diseases. Cholesterol estimation by non-enzymatic method. Chemical required are standard cholesterol solution, glacial acetic acid, color reagent that is 10% ferric chloride and concentrated H2SO4. Principle. Ferric chloride present in color reagent react with serum cholesterol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form a reddish brown color complex. Thank you and good luck.